Here's a description of the inventory methods. I'm going to start out with Lifo, which is the last ones in is the first ones out. The whole idea here is that we're trying to come up with the cost of the goods that we sold. So I took this from the problem. Your numbers may not be exactly the same as mine, but the idea is completely the same. So they told us in the problem that, or actually it's listed right here, on March 5th, we sold 15. Then on March 17th, we sold 8. Then we sold 12. So I just put the total sold down here, 15 plus 8 plus 12. So that's 35 units that we have sold. So the name of the game in this problem is to find out where the costs are for those units. So we just, we know how much we sold them for. We just have to figure out now what those units actually cost us so that we can obviously find a margin. So let's get going. So the last ones in, meaning the most recent purchases, those were the last purchases that I had. Those are the first ones that are going to come out. So I'm just going to write this from March 30th. I'm going to take all 7 of those units, and they were costed out. Oops, not the right place for it. They were costed out at $260. So that leaves me with $18.20. I had a little formula in there for you. Then, am I done? No, because I still need 28 more. So from March 22nd, do you see how I had 10 that I purchased? So here's the 10, and they were at $240. And now you can see I'm kind of counting down here. I still have to go find 18 more units. So then I've gotten those. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the March 9th purchases. From March 9th, then I had those 10, and those 10 from March 9th cost me $230 each. Am I done? No, I have 8 more I've got to go find. So, well, let's see, I've exhausted the March 9th, the March 22nd, the March 30th. So I'm going to have to go to the beginning inventory and take 8 of those, right? So this is from my beginning inventory, and I'm going to take 8 of those. So now I've costed all of them out. That's why this is back to 0. And those were 210. Oops, that is not right. $210. Okay. So then the cost of goods sold is just the accumulation of all of those costs. Now, here's a question. What's in my ending inventory? Well, in this case, do you remember how this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, and 8 of those 20 are gone, which means that from my beginning inventory, I have 12 of those left over at $210. And if I copy that formula, that will, all right, well, let's just do it this way. This multiplied times this gives me $2,520, and that's what's in my ending inventory.